Today, we visited the Xi'an Film Studio. The first part of our tour was filled with vintage cars, and Keen and I were super excited because we both love cars. This car show was like a party for us. The Xi'an Film Studio was funded in 1958 and became one of the major film production centers in China, known for creating many influential films during the 20th century. Over the years, it has produced a variety of films ranging from historical epics to modern dramas, contributing significantly to Chinese cinema. However, like many film studios, it has had to adapt to changes in technology and audience tastes. Nowadays, it's not only used for film production, but also as a tourist destination, showcasing the history of filmmaking and modern special effects. In the early days of Chinese cinema, China imported many American films which were translated and dubbed for Chinese audiences. That's why you can see a lot of American movie elements in early Chinese films. Movies became a way for the two countries to communicate and exchange culture. We walked through a glass house, and the floor was made entirely of film reels, a reminder of movies from the past. Then, we learned about the history of Chinese cinema and discovered how filmmakers of that era managed and maintained film equipment, ensuring it could be preserved and used for a long time. Next, we visited the set of A Chinese Odyssey. It felt a little like a horror movie, something fans of haunted houses would love. Tina and I tried out a bunch of props together. Look here, I'm pretending this stone is super heavy, but it's actually made of foam. That's the magic of special effects. I even did a voiceover for SpongeBob. How do you think I did?
I'm SpongeBob SquarePants, and it's time to play. Come on, let's go.
Louder.
Okay, I'm good now.
Louder.
Maybe we should try something new downstairs.
Louder. Yell it out.
Okay, maybe we should try this. Let's go. I'm SpongeBob SquarePants, and it's time to play. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm good now. Maybe we should try something downstairs. Okay, maybe we should try.
After that, we learned how to make stop-motion animation and explored the special effects studio. It was amazing to see how movies are made. Later, we took a break in a private lunch and had some delicious waffles. My mom told us that the furniture in this room came from a famous movie. After the movie was finished, Xi'an Film Studio bought these couches to preserve them. Can you guess which movie? Here's a hint. It's a compound word that starts with a G and ends with a D. You can find clues in my video. Here's a fun extra. We were lucky enough to visit the top floor and got a great view of the Yanta district in Xi'an. Even though it rained a little, the view was still beautiful, though my camera couldn't quite capture it. Finally, I got to experience what it's like to be a film reviewer, called a Xi'an in Chinese. My mom explained that these people are the first to watch foreign films before they're released in China. It was so cool to learn about how films are approved and to understand the connection between Eastern and Western film histories.